Hey there, welcome to the channel. Let me ask you this. Are you tired of wasting hours trying to figure out how to create a profitable website, building digital products from scratch, or worse, paying overpriced freelancers who overpromise and underdeliver? Well, you are in the right place because in this video, I'm going to walk you through something brand new called GPT Money Blueprint. It's not just another AI course, it's a step by step system to help you create, launch, and sell your own AI tools or agent using GPT, even if you are never written a line of code before. By end of this video, you'll know what GPT Money Blueprint actually does, who it's perfect for, where it falls short, and the 5 exclusive bonuses I'll give you when you buy it through my link. Make sure to stick around till the end because these bonuses are seriously good, especially if you are trying to make money with AI. Alright, let's jump in. So, what exactly is GPT Money Blueprint? It's a full system designed to help anyone can create, launch and profit from custom GPTs on the ChatGPT Store. You get a comprehensive guide even if you are a complete beginner, and here what you get inside: a step-by-step blueprint to launch profitable GPTs, ready to use prompt ideas in hot niches, then a professional landing page template with full email sequences to nurture your clients or leads, and a pre-built Notion templates to converting a high sales page, and even a funnel templates for system.io to get you selling so fast. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. There is no coding needed, that's the sweet spot here. So if you can write a sentence, you can build a GPT. Then the second pro, it's a ready to launch system. Everything from idea to launch is mapped out, so you need not to figure out the things by yourself. And the third point is funnel plus emails templates. This alone could save you plenty of time, so you need not to craft a copywriting high converting email by yourself. You have a template for that, so you can just copy paste that. Then instant authority, so it help you to launch the chat gpt stores and makes you look pro from a day one. This is my favorite one. And now the cons, because no product is perfect. The first con I noticed, you still needs to put it a bit of work. This is not a complete automation tool or guide. You need to figure out something by yourself, and this isn't a push button to get rich quick scheme, so don't have some high expectations. Then, if you are not familiar with the ChatGPT interface, there is a small learning curve. You need to have to test and try something. But honestly, these are a minor bumps that won't stop you if you are motivated. And before we going to the ratings, let me take a quick look at some screenshots and examples from the system so you can get a better sense of what you are going to getting. Then, rating and final verdict. After testing this system and going through all the modules, here's how I rate GPT Money Blueprint. The setup, it's easy to set up. I'm giving 4 out of 5. And pricing part, I'm giving 4 out of 5 again because it's cost you only $37. There is no upsell. And value for money, it's a 4 out of 5. And the final thing, graphic and funnel quality, I'm again giving 4 out of 5. For what it promises and delivers, GPT Money Blueprint is a solid investment, especially for those looking to build passive income with AI. And the best part, I'm giving away 5 exclusive bonuses if you buy it through my link. Bonus number 1, you can get 100 plus free videos editing template, then viral video script collection, and the third one, AI video creation blueprint, and the fourth one, automation with AI ebook, and the last fifth one is AI cartoon animation video bundle. All yours free of charge just by buying through my link in the description. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. That's it, folks. If you're serious about making money with AI and want a complete done for you system, GPT Money Blueprint is worth checking out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tools, and bonus drops. And if you got any questions, drop them in the comment. I respond to every one of them. Until next time, happy GPT building.